If you're using weight loss shots like Ozempic or Wegovy and you're not seeing results, or you feel sick and you don't know why, this video might be the most important thing that you watch. All right, so listen closely. We're going to get right into it, and we're going to talk about GLP-1 explain and what exactly is it, and what do you need to know, right? So here's the thing. A lot of people are using GLP-1 medications incorrectly and they don't even realize it, right? In this video, I'm going to break it down simply so you understand what it is, why it works, and the biggest mistakes to avoid, right? So what exactly is GLP-1? GLP-1 is a hormone your body naturally releases already after you eat. It helps to control blood sugar, slows down digestion, and reduces your appetite. That's why people feel full faster and they tend to eat a lot less, right? So it's pretty much gonna make you feel fuller, and then that's gonna control your appetite, and that's how you're gonna lose weight, okay? But so now, however, though, we're going to talk about how medications like Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, some of the most common ones, what they do is that they mimic this same hormone that your body creates, but it lasts much longer. That's why they're effective for both blood sugar and weight loss. So GLP-1 doesn't just magically burn fat, right? Like, that would be amazing. But what it really does is that it reduces hunger, which makes it easier for you to eat less. And that calorie reduction is what leads to the actual weight loss, right? So it's pretty much triggering your body to not eat so much. And because you're not eating so much, that's the reason why you're losing weight. So less hunger equals less eating, and then overall you end up losing weight, okay? Now, let's get into, though, what are some of the common mistakes that people make, right? So some people, they barely eat at all, which can lead to muscle loss and fatigue. So that's a problem, right? You can't, you don't want your muscles to be breaking down. So that's a mistake that people run into. Another thing as well is that these medications, it can also reduce thirst. So it can make it where you feel less, not as thirsty, even though your body needs the fluids. So, and when you have dehydration, that can lead to other side effects, worse side effects. That can lead to dry lips, dry mucous membranes, right? So it's important that you are making sure you're drinking water. And then another common mistake, this is something that I see all the time, especially when I talk about, when I post videos about insulin or insulin syringes. A huge mistake is dosing confusion. So many people are using insulin syringes, but here's the issue. Units is not the same as milligrams, all right? So insulin syringes measures in units. GLP is dosed in milligrams. These are not the same thing. So you have to be very conscious that you're paying attention to the type of syringe that you're using, because you can't use a universal syringe when it comes to giving your GLP, okay? So don't ever guess, all right? Do not ever guess. Make sure that you're using the correct type of syringe. Another huge mistake a lot of people make with this is that they honestly expect fast results, you know, when the truth and the reality is that weight loss takes time, you know? It takes time. It's not as fast as you would want it to work. So it may feel like you hit like a plateau, but it's part of the journey. So if your GLP-1 isn't working, here's some reasons why it can be. The first thing, number one, is that your dose has not been adjusted, you know. A second thing as well is that you're just not eating enough protein. You're also inconsistent. Maybe sometimes you take it, maybe sometimes you don't take it. Or Another thing as well is that your body's honestly just still adapting, right? So that's why you have to give it time. So you need to focus on protein, right? Protein intake, boost that up. You need to focus on hydration. You need to eat small, balanced meals, light activity, right? So, and here this is a picture to show you some examples of protein foods to start incorporating into your diet. Everything on the screen, right? Now, if you want help to do this the right way, I did create a free guide for you. So it's a GLP-1 success guide. I put it together just for you. It breaks down common mistakes, side effects, simple routines. So all you have to do if you want to download it, it's going to help give you a lot of clarity in your journey. In the description, check the link in the description below to download it. And it's going to help guide you throughout this whole process, okay? Now, and then like I said, I put it together for you. So all you have to do is just when you click the link, just enter your name and email address, and then check your email, and then you're going to see it right in your email box. And I realized I didn't introduce myself throughout this whole time. Hi, I'm Nurse Choma, and so I'm here to teach you, educate you, so that way you can live your best life. So what you need to know overall is that the thing about GLP-1, it can absolutely be a powerful tool, right? It can be a powerful tool, but only if you understand how to use it correctly, right? You can live the life that you desire, you can lose the weight, you can do whatever it is that you are hoping to achieve as a result of taking it. And then if you found this helpful, I would love to be able to put out more videos like this. Please simply subscribe, comment below what you took away, what you're going to implement, and I'll see you the next time. Thank you.